Welcome everybody, welcome to the channel. Nice that you tuned in. If you aren't subscribed yet, subscribe, hit up your notification bell. Hit up your notifications bell if you then you can always catch up when we make another video. We're gonna start doing a little bit of daily uploads, if you noticed. And today we're going to install the Maxspeedingrods unboxing, and yeah, I already unboxed it, so but unboxing and installation. We're gonna see what you get. You get some hardware to make the installation a little bit easier. You got let me see, a little thingy to know what to do, adjustments, and what it's made of. It looks like overall good product. No harsh stuff, and just good stuff. It looks like good stuff. And yeah, we gotta test it and review it before. But you got some adjustments that you can do on these coilovers. That's why I got them. And yeah, for the time being, these are my budget coilovers, because I don't know if you have noticed, but this is our new garage. Gonna install a lift on that side, and yeah, I just need the funds to do that kind of stuff. So a little sneak preview, you know what I mean? We got some things going on around here. We got some things. And yeah, I need to settle up my seat, straightening it out, putting some stuff in, and getting it ready for the track this year. So first off, we're going to jack up the car and install the new coilovers. It's about time. After jacking up the car, you're gonna loose some bolts. Let me see. That bolt around there. It's a 14mm one. The bolts on the top too. Those are 14 too, as you can see. Now for a quick comparison of these two, if you look closely, right here, to adjust the height of the old one, you need to eventually tighten the spring to make it lower or low enough. But that problem is that you're changing the load when you're doing that. Right here, I do not have to change the load to do that. It's very simple. I can adjust the height by loosening this one up. It's not loosening right now, but so just like that, I can loosen it and adjust my height. You can already see it's a little bit lower than normal. The spring is a little bit tinier, but it's I think it's a 6K in the front, in the back. This is 6K spring in the back, and 10K in the front. And what's nice, I can finally adjust the dampening on these. So in overall, it's a pretty good product, if I so say myself. But let's test them first and then decide if it's true or not. So after I installed the coilover, I just went on and tightened the rings with this tool, of course. And right here, yeah, it's very simple. You hook it up like this. It's like, I hope you can see it, but after hooking it up, make sure it's snug, pull on it, and it's good. Right now, I'm gonna keep it like this. Check what's the height on it with the tires, and after I have done that, I have the measurements of the back so that I can mimic it on the other side. So yeah, I'm gonna do that first. Then I'm gonna check on that one, and after that, I can conclude the whole installation. Look at that! Oh my God, it's almost perfect. Got 2 fingers of clearance. No, almost 2 fingers of clearance. But it fills out the whole arch, the wheel arch, and yeah, it's a little bit towed in right now with a little bit of poke, but I can live with this. Now for the front. So we're gonna start on the back right here. You're gonna need a 17 for this side and a 17 millimeter on this side to disassemble the fork on the strut or on the coilover. And then on the inside, let me show you guys real quick. I believe on the inside it's a 50 mil. I gotta check that first. Yeah, it's 40 millimeter one. So 14s on top and 17s on the bottom. And if you can see on the fork, you got a 14 millimeter too. And if you loosen that up, you can eventually get the strut from the wow. Eventually, you can get the fork from the coilover. So let's do that. Okay. So we just installed all the coilovers. The most important part on this one is before you tighten the bolts on the bottom side. The upper side doesn't really matter that much, but on the underside of the suspension, you have to tighten the bolts up when the car is lowered down. So when the suspension is relaxed, and then you can tighten it down, just to make sure you don't mess up bushings and your car will be all crooked on the suspension. So I just got the hoe noem je krik in het Engels?
Wat woord?
Krik.
Jack.
I just lowered the car with the jacks. The jacks are I did wow. Yeah, so let's go on and tighten the bolts, and then we'll go for a test drive finally. Stop.
Vanaf laag, ja.
Looks so aggressive. Oh my god. So happy with this setup. Except the fronts won't go lower than what it's how it is right now. But the back, so nice. It looks so good. Just wanna put my seat back and start driving it, but unfortunately we're busy with mocking up the seat rail right here. Gonna walk some things around here to make it all nifty with a universal bracket, and then later on, yeah, clean it up, paint it, make it all shiny and nice. And yeah, on the other, I think in the next video we're gonna be changing up some brakes, and yeah, get the whole brake setup done so that it brakes a little bit better than it used to. See you in the next. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and comment down below if you like the new look.